Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this spicy curry jerk baked chicken recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start today's recipe off by cleaning our chicken leg quarters. So you want to grab some vinegar. And we're just going to give this a nice little rinse. You just want to remove the extra fat and all that unnecessary stuff, inside right here. So after you finish cleaning up your leg quarters, you just want to make some large cuts, and this is going to allow the seasoning to soak nice and properly, right through the marinating process. All right, guys, so these are the dry ingredients, the seasoning that I'll be using for today's recipe. So I have some curry powder, some dried thyme, some jerk rub, some chicken seasoning. I have the garlic powder, jerk paste, a little bit of Szechuan seasoning, and some paprika seasoning. So now you want to combine all these lovely ingredients together, mix it up nice and proper until everything is fully combined. Just seasoning, just a little bit at a time. And I'm telling you guys, this is going to be so good. Just rub it up nice and proper. Flip it over, but you want to make sure both sides are evenly seasoned. Smelling good. Yeah, make sure you apply the seasoning, underneath the skin. Yeah, man. All right, now, so the chicken is nicely seasoned and ready to go. All right, so we're just gonna let it marinate for about an hour. After the hour, we're just gonna sear it, sear it for about 2 minutes, on each side. And then we're gonna bake our chicken for about 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So at this point, you want to add about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Not too much. Come on. So we're gonna sear it for a few minutes just to make sure, each end have a nice little charness to it. Now you want to go ahead and flip your chicken. So at this point, guys, you want to add some water to the same mixing bowl that you season the chicken in. And then we're going to pour that water in. So right about now, we're just going to toss the chicken in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. This is it, guys. So after baking our spicy curry jerk chicken for 45 minutes, this is what it's looking like. It's nice and steamy. you know, juicy, well seasoned, you know, packed with a bunch of flavor falling off the bone. So we're just gonna top it off with some homemade jerk sauce and a little bit of fresh thyme leaves.